Hi guys, it's citrus season, and what's the best way to enjoy the fruit? I think it's fresh and in season. So today I have a delicious salad recipe for you using the beautiful seasonal citrus fruits. So let's get started. I have a big salad bowl here, and the first thing I'm gonna do is to add my arugula to it. And I'm just gonna leave a little aside because I want to add some straight to the plate, to my serving plate, so just leave a little aside for that. Then I have a medium red onion, and I'm just gonna peel it first. If you're not a fan of fresh or raw onion, then you can skip this. And then I'm just gonna finely slice it. And then you can also add in the onion. Then you will also see if it's enough. You can also slice some more if you like. Then I have 4 mandarins here, and also 4 blood oranges. And the first thing I'm gonna do is peel all of these. And then once you've peeled the fruit, you can just slice it like this. And then you can add these directly to your salad bowl as well. I'm gonna add some directly in there, and then some I'm gonna leave for decoration. And then I have an avocado. You could use a half of it, or you could use a whole one. So just remove the stone and the skin. And then I'm just gonna slice it like this. And then we need 1 organic lime, and I'm just gonna grate in the skin first into my salad, so that we are not wasting any part of the lime. And then you want to use half of the lime to coat the avocado a little bit. So get the slices and kind of cover them in the lime juice. You can also do this in a bowl. This will stop them from browning. And then you can also add the avocado to your salad bowl. And then we are just gonna give it all a short mix. And then at this point you can see whether you want to add more arugula or more fruit, and that's where you can also add that in. Also, I have some pomegranate here. Unfortunately, I wasn't lucky with the pomegranate, and so I will use it only to decorate. But you could also add a handful first directly into the salad, and then use some more for the decoration. Then for the dressing, we need the second half of the lime juiced, about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, some salt, black pepper, and if you want to make it a little sweeter, you could also add some honey. just mixing it shortly, and then add your dressing to the salad and also mix to combine. And then I have my serving plate here. As I told you, I'm gonna first add in a little bit of arugula. And this is not a must, you can also skip this. I just think it looks nicer when you add that to the plate. Then adding my salad on top. And then I also left some pieces for styling, so that's what I'm gonna do now. Just gonna add some more. And then also adding the pomegranate. And then you have your beautiful salad ready for serving. So as you saw in the video, I only used the pomegranate for decoration. That's because I was very unlucky. First time actually with the pomegranate, and it was almost completely white inside, which I've never seen before. So only some of the fruit was red, and so I only used it to decorate. But I think it would be great to add it or add a little more to the salad, because it gives such a beautiful sweetness and also it gives juiciness to the salad as well. Also, there are a couple of things that you can adjust. So if you cannot get blood oranges, I'm not sure if they're available everywhere, you can also use regular oranges. You can also use other citrus fruits for the salad as well, so you don't have to stick to the mandarins and blood oranges. I only use those because, well, I didn't want to buy a lot of different citrus fruits, if I'm absolutely honest. And also those two are the ones that are like really nice and sweet, so that's why I chose those. Also, you can swap the arugula for some other green salad. And as I said in the recipe, if you don't like onion, raw onion in your salad, then just leave it out. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget that thumbs up for support. And if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now and tap the bell. That's when you will get a notification for every new video that comes out. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.